Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Tom from Metro Physio, and in today's video we're going to go over what you could do to help prevent lower back pain. But before we get into the video, just a quick disclaimer that if you have any sort of neurological symptoms or nerve symptoms such as pain down the leg or pins and needles or numbness in any part of your body from the waist down associated with your lower back pain, it might be a good idea to consult a physiotherapist or your GP first before you try any of these exercises. So with that said, let's get into today's video. And that's it for today's video, guys. So remember, if you ever need any physiotherapy or sports massage services, I've got our contact details below me here so you can book in with us whenever you like. In the meantime, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up on it for me. I'd love to hear your comments down below, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for brand new videos every single week, but make sure you turn on that bell notification so you never miss a brand new video.